Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time where they see our program, for able to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Alright, so Ray Parlour will be one of the Arsenal legends. Come secondly advise Mikel Arteta, say making seek advice from former Arsenal boss will be Arsene Wenger. Say Wenger still gets so much knowledge when go fit impact inside Arteta, because when you look at Arteta, he has some semblance, some similarities to the way Wenger they think, and at the same time he has other attributes we Pep Guardiola gets. So for that reason, no man is a monopoly of knowledge. So making go meet at Wenger, liars with him, full and rub mind. Nobody just collect one or two from him, because Wenger has seen it all. You usually start your own managerial career, so Wenger don't see everything. That's why it's called the legendary Arsene Wenger. So I don't know, when I saw this report, I got to think, say, this thing, it makes sense. Like maybe when they meet Wenger, go they ask and say, go they seek permission or seek advice on some things. I don't know what to think. So what you been a line of now? Subscribe to this line of thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, so RB Leipzig, they track Smith Rowe and our monitoring spirit they call the Sun. Now they come outside, they give us this new information. Say they would like to take the player on loan. Get may go over there for Germany. Now here's where the issue is. Arsenal will likely allow Smith Rowe to come up, because West Ham don't try. You know what? Other clubs say don't try. You know what? Because Arteta feels say Smith Rowe still get a lot of things to do for here. Now we'll be saying don't recover from that groin problem. You don't already they play for us. So for Arteta, he's thinking it will be a no-brainer. Say they allow the guy to go Germany. Say you know go make any sense, but more just what, because at the end of the day, the onus lies with Smith Rowe to decide whether he would like to stay for Arsenal, when he will get so much game time, probably some cameo appearances here and there, or you move over to Germany and enjoy football, or you go to West Ham and play, or even Aston Villa. So at the end of the day, Smith Rowe will decide what he really wants. Then Arsenal will move ahead with time, because if you come outside and talk, say, Baba, I won't leave, they don't get choice, and go let them leave. Alright, so Fàbregas will be one of the former Arsenal players. Come and analyze how Henry take the test the abilities of skills or of new Arsenal players in the past. That time Wednesday they were Henry did. So Baba they explain, so once a new player comes into Arsenal, Henry tests their knowledge, test their skill. So once when they do that, they play 5 versus 2, 5-a-side football, 5v2. They call it a rondo football. So what did Henry go do? They say, they go select you, say the new player, go dey one side, then go dey, then he go give you one kind tough ball, one kind strong ball under pressure. You get, make you see your level of control, make you see your skill, how you go take control that ball under pressure, especially they break down your neck. Go give you that kind of ball. So if you control them well, give good pass, then they go say, this one really has like your sign, I confirm, I man. So now the way they test the abilities of new players, but now nobody really does that. They take everything with faith. Say the player good until we see you on the field of play. So I say just be. Now even Bukayo Saka said don't come and second give us history of when they play with Aubameyang. Now Saka they talk say Aubameyang, anytime where Aubameyang get a field of play, if himself they say they feel very, very confident, because Aubameyang fills him with confidence if they play together. So Saka they give some kind of scenarios. Even though Aubameyang gets your own bad side, because you remember when one time we say if Aubameyang give a field, Aubameyang will call Saka say, see, if you get ball, give me the pass. So you get always give me the pass, make I the boss net. Then if Saka do mistake, or maybe Saka no come give her the pass, make him go score. So Aubameyang will come the vex. But at some point, the first time where Saka comes score in first goal for the match where he play, I think it was against Eintracht Frankfurt. So he got to say Aubameyang call him say, Saka, see him. If you get through on goal and you want to shoot. I will not shout at you, I will not say anything. So all those things gonna give Saka confidence. Then Aubameyang was the main man at Arsenal. Unlike now, we say Saka now be the main man. So see how table don't turn. So that's so life just so Saka just they explain. Say even in family say they like Aubameyang like mad. Say mama love the guy, because Saka just they take inspiration from Aubameyang that year. Don't be like now again. So well, everything don't pass, yeah. Alright, Steve K. Don't come outside. Steve K is one of the journalists out there. So Baba come outside and say Julian Timber could return to training next month. Get come talk say if Arsenal still dey the title race, say Julian Timber dey likely to play the last 10 games of Arsenal matches, the last 10 games. If Julian Timber will not come back by then, he will be eligible to play all those games. If Arsenal still the Champions League by then, he will help them, just partake. So that's what it's telling us. And this one now, it gives us room for optimism. We could just be optimistic, we could be hopeful. Say Julian Timber will come back next month, February. In fact, they talk say late match we'll get for February, the match against Newcastle. So they don't identify that match as the match where Julian Timber will use come back. Well, no lily, we no complain. We just see how they go. Even Thomas Partey will just come back from injury. Partey said on the talk tough. They talk say in the happy say come back from injury because Arsenal announced and yes they will come back Thomas. So they saying they're very, very happy. At least we want help inside to compete for the title race. Like help them. Our prayer now make you go back to the injury table. As it don't come, make you just did it till the season end. Make Arteta know how he will take manage Partey because Partey is very, very fragile. It's like an egg. So we'll just see how we'll manage these players and see what happens at the end of the day. Alright, so David Einstein, on the other hand, Thomas say Arsenal are mostly focused on defensive reinforcement because a lot of people expect Arsenal to sign a striker, but if Arsenal go sign, now defensive-minded players then they will go for, and that is just the truth because the attacking people, with the person will define, need for market. So that one probably at the end of the summer, I think everybody, all Arsenal fans don't really understand. See, the market is tough. They're not just for us, for everybody. The market is tough, so nobody really see the targets they define now. Even if they say themselves, almost everybody is close to the financial fair play threshold, so nobody wants to take that risk. So everybody they wait for the summer transfer window. So that's what I'm saying. So we are looking at maybe center back or maybe full back. Those are the areas, or probably defensive midfield concept. Those are the areas where Arsenal they identify they fit strengthen for this January. But that does not mean so we don't rule out a striker out. This one they had the shouts for St. James Park say Callum Wilson is now available for anybody to come and sign him. So don't be surprised if at the end of the day USA Arsenal make an offer of maybe 10 million or 15 million for Callum Wilson, who is coming for cheap and is a goal scorer. He gets presence up front there. So that's that about that. So more just to observe. Alright, so moving on. So Brentford, they do scouts. They love the scouts for possible Ivan Toney replacement, but they don't say for summer, Shola, go past summer, Ivan Toney go find a square root. So now then they look for a replacement from lower leagues. And most people don't even know that Ivan Toney was bought by Brentford from Peterborough, League One side. And then they go buy him from. You get 2020. And then they buy him. And the guy has been doing miraculously well for them. They do fantastically well. Like the kind of really scrape you say. I remember when somebody was asking me, say, CHUKS, why you say Arsenal no people like championship, go pick one main striker there. Go pick one. But Baba, nobody likes to take such a risk. Yes. So don't be all the time the thing they materialize, say it will become a success. Yes. If you say 8 out of 10 times, if you don't work hard. So Ivan Toney is just one of the exceptional ones. We say they thrive at the end of the day. So that's why themselves won't go back there. But if it has been I go collect 100 million for Ivan Toney, you can't go League 1, League 2 where they pay maybe 5 million or 3 million to collect another striker. Because now in that kind of range, they sign Ivan Toney, they don't spend up to 15 million when they purchased him from Peterborough. So it is what it is. Alright, so Fabrizio Romano will be one of our monitoring spirits, our transfer guru. So Babacon come outside and let us know, say Karim Benzema is not happy at Al Ittihad. Presently, he don't return to full training, but they train with the group. He's training alone. Karim Benzema really wants to exit Al Ittihad. Indeed depressed. On the other hand, Al Ittihad said they know they very happy say that they get all these issues because Karim Benzema na face we be say they don't sell a lot of jerseys, they don't sell many merchandise. We be say in face they there. So if he come on for that club, they will lose a lot of revenue. And themselves no say they pay this guy about 86 million pounds per year. No be beans, no be jives. So when you look at this, say even the new coach will come there. He's not even happy because he needs his best player. So that's why everything just go. Someone just observe, you get. But they see how everything will unfold. Today na 26th, you get 26th of January. So we'll just watch. Are we going to see some miracles, some magic happen? But then they enter the final lap of the January transfer window. So what's going to be happening to Karim Benzema? So we'll just watch. Is he going to be coming to Arsenal on loan? Is he going to be going to Lyon? Is Manchester United going to come back? So a lot of things to stay up. More they watch. Alright, and I remember that case where I told about Barcelona. They say Barcelona they bribe referees, we say that they give them favorable decisions, we help them win so many titles. Now, the main man who they talk say Barcelona bribe, what they call Jose Maria Enriquez Nigeria. So this man, they talk say he get dementia, say no, they remember things. He get so your color no correct. So for that reason, they no fit carry the man go court to collect testimony from the man. But now the case don't turn in another way. Now it don't switch because they say the man now will testify. Let's say the dementia, maybe na roots, maybe na bobo. They just give them say no get any dementia. So now he's going to be testifying. But they know truly, did Barcelona offer you a bribe so that you give other officials to give them favorable decisions? That's what we are hearing now. So once the case don't go forward, we will get a logical conclusion of this case, and I will let you know once the Barcelona will get some further punishments that will affect them for La Liga, even Champions League. So more they see how things they unfold. Even though this one not related to Arsenal, but I feel say I got cheap. I mean, they mean that they know what's in there happen for the world of football. Alright, so for those who complain, say anytime we go live, they know they get notification. Most times we don't go live, they're going to see them. It is probably because you are following us on Facebook and you know on the notification bell, you get, or you are following us on YouTube and you know on the notification bell, or you are following us on Twitter and you know on the notification bell. I beg, honor, you get, so that whenever we go live, you will get a notification. So now the only thing with me, I feel just turn. So my just over to know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all that now updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I get out.